Don't even think about it. You know it's your turn today. So it's my turn to do the laundry today, and I guess we all gotta do it, so I better show you the steps of how to get a laundry done here at Ish. The first thing you gotta do is to either get a laundry card from the reception or to download the Circuit app on your mobile phone. If you want to use the card, you top it up on the Circuit website where you will get a code that you will have to bring to the laundry room. Or if you want to use the app, you create an account and add your money directly there. And then you allocate Will's house because that's where the laundry machines are. So here we are in our fantastic laundry room. First step, load the machine. Don't forget detergent. To pay, you either use the app by scanning the QR code on the loaded machine, or if you want to pay with your laundry card, this is where you can top it up. To do so, you follow the instructions and you type in the code that you got from the website. Then you choose the program you want to use, scan your card, press start, and scan your card again. Let the waiting begin and let the machine do its magic. And now you got clean clothes. And then you take it to the drying machine. Remove the dust in the machine, no matter how disgusting that might be. Ew! Load the machine! Again, here you follow the same procedures and can either pay with your app or with your laundry card like I'm doing here. And then you wait. And voila! See? It's that easy. If I can do it, everyone can do it. Just ask my roommate.